Hello everyone, to test your card reader, first of all you will have to mount your latest media bundle, then go to utilities, then go to WOSA test tools. For deep card reader, go to IDC 310. For motorized card reader, go to IDC 330. After that, go to services, click on open and register. Now click on get info and click on status. Here you can see the status of your device, that online 0. This means the device is connected to the system. Go to execute and reset. Click on OK. And you can see device will reset. Reset. Then click on execute and again click on read raw data. Now you will have to tick marks on track 1, track 2. No need to tick track 3. Just tick on sheet and click on OK. After this, you will have to insert ATM card in card reader. This is on both case, deep card reader and motorized card reader. If 01, 02 and 05 data is present, this means card reader is OK. After that, click on OK and go to execute and click on eject card, and your card will be ejected. Thank you.